So, another quick little update. Just got done framing in the holes for the access covers for the electrical box, which these were salvaged from a junkyard. I didn't feel like paying a whole lot of money for it. They're going to get repainted and everything when we repaint the camper, but yeah, so that's for the electrical. And then I got this one for the water inlet. I'm going to see if I can't modify this to include the city water hookup inside of here as well. Or, oh yeah, try to get it in here. Just because, I don't know, I have a hard time trusting people and I don't want them messing with my water systems. Reason the locks are missing is, well, because I couldn't get keys for these, obviously. I got them out of the junkyard. But doing some looking on Amazon, turns out I can get new key tumblers and keys for these. So I'm just going to go that route. So, just wanted to show you guys that. So, yeah. She's getting there. One more thing off the to-do list. Gonna go pick up some more plywood stuff tonight, the OSB for the flooring. Gonna try to get that completed this weekend, along with rerouting a lot of this electrical, and I'm gonna redo the electrical for the trailer wiring for the lights outside and get that done. And then I'm gonna get the floor done, get the wiring done, run the wiring for the new recessed lights that are going to be on a switch instead of the switch on the lights, the lights themselves. So that's the plan. We'll see how far I get. Alright, bye. There we go, all installed. Now I just need to get the locks for the buggers. Well, it's not pretty by any means, but that doesn't matter. It'll do what I need it to do. So yeah, all done for now with that. Alright, bye. Hey, so quick update. Got the front half of the floor torn out. Holy crap, there was a lot of rot. I got rot over in that corner I gotta fix. That whole front liner there, down on the bottom, gotta fix that. I already fixed all the crap over there. And that whole board that goes underneath the door there, that was completely rotten, and it was only, a little tiny, it was like a 2x4. That was only like barely the width of the door. So I opted for the 2x10 for going all the way from the fender well all the way up to the front wall. Replaced all that. And I think that'll do that. I don't think I'll have any issues there. So I need to finish reframing the wall here and then suck it back in to get it into its proper position. Same with up there. Gotta finish framing that, get that pulled back in, and then rehang the door again. But finally I got it to a point where it now closes and latches on its own instead of having to use the little slide latch that was on there, which is right there. So get that fixed, patch all that up, and yeah, reframe all of the wall, and then I gotta frame it for a new electrical switch panel that I'm gonna put in the wall for all the lights and stuff. That's gonna go right in there. So yeah, it's getting there. Progress, progress, progress. Alright, later. Hey y'all, so I got the front half of the camper floor completely reframed. It's a little bit better than what the factory original framing was. I got a little bit more support around the holes for like the shower drain, and then the little, the other part of the shower drain, the little U thingy-majig. I forget what the hell it's called, but anyway, there was no framing around any of that stuff, even around the toilet. So added a little extra support in between all that stuff just to make it stronger. And so yeah, it's all framed in now. So next step is cutting all the foam, getting that laid in, and then covering it with the OSB. So I'll do a quick other little video after I finish the foam and then after I've finished the OSB. So alright, peace out. And here we go, fully insulated floor. Holy balls. Yeah, smile, you cheeky little bastard. Anyway, so yep, floor is entirely insulated. Next, which I'm probably going to do tomorrow because it's already like 1 a.m. I'm going to lay the OSB down, get the floor secured, and then finish raising that wall back up to where it needs to be and getting it set. Same with this one. I got to readjust it because the door is just not quite right yet. So I'll get that done. And then it's off to finishing up electrical with the 12-volt lighting. I still got to run wires to where the new switch is going to be. And probably redo some of the old wiring yet. So, yeah, fun stuff. So, okay, you're probably wondering what's with all the numbers on the ground or on the insulation board. What I did is I drew a map, which is right there. We can't really see it that well, but yeah. Drew a map, wrote down all my measurements for each piece, numbered them, and then I went and cut them all at the same time instead of running back and forth and, you know, cutting one piece, placing it, and then, you know, running back and forth doing that. That's just ridiculous to me, and I'm a tubby guy, so that's just a waste of energy. So, yeah, cut them, numbered them, laid them. Unfortunately, thank God, everything was square, so everything went in pretty good. So, yeah, she's looking pretty good. Getting excited. Alright, well, take it easy. Peace out. Hey all, so I didn't look at my last video, so I'm not exactly sure where I left off. But anyway, floor is complete. And I just finished the new trailer wiring, so I ran a whole new 7-pin wire all the way from the receptacle outside to in here, and ran it all in here. I'm going to do a new junction over here, but I got all the new LED lights wired in, siliconed, all nice and pretty like. So got those in there. Even the side markers are wired in. Got the new wiring all the way to the back. Oh, and I even added turn signal lamps on the side of the camper. Just, you know, a little extra safety. I got new side turn signals on both sides. And then I did the same here. I got a red turn signal back here. The one up there is amber, but this one's red. And then I got the red marker light down here. And then all new red LED marker lights up here in the back. More wiring nightmares. But everything is soldered, heat shrunk, and very well protected, so I don't have to worry about any issues with that. So yeah, next step, test it, see if it works. God, I hope it works. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, here's the tail lights. About to do a test. Turn the left blinker on. Nice. Okay, right. Alright, hit the brakes. Now brakes. Holy crap. That'll do. Alright, well. That's kind of cool. When you hit the brakes, the side lights light up. I didn't think of that.
Is the right one going out?
Yeah, all of them are working. They're all working.
The right blinker and all that working?
Yeah.